Omegar.
And we're Alpher and Omegar.
And this is Alpher Omegar's Mystery Unboxing!
Ayo! So, welcome back to Loot Corner. Today we've got the Game of Thrones Edition 3 Mystery Minis.
More Game of Thrones, I'm excited to see who we
So-
get.
Much like some of our other lines, we're getting down to it on who we need in this line. Right now I think we only need Tyrion Lannister and Tormund, is that correct?
I don't remember exactly the Night King, but
I remember the Night King, sort of.
Sort of, yeah. So, I mean, yeah. I think it might just be those two, so again, the odds are not in our favour, but we'll see what we get here.
It might should what? It what?
What?
What? I don't understand that language. Might should be. You've been spending too much time in the South, Major. Are you able to maneuver the box?
Glue was all willy-nilly.
Oh, I've got brawn. Another brawn.
And I've got another Mask of the Harpy.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Son of the Harpies, or whatever the heck they're called. Stabby Dagger. Two duplicates.
Yeah, not terribly exciting.
No.
It's bad luck this week for our mystery minis.
Yeah, so far.
So far. So far, more duplicates than new.
Stab, 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 stab. At least with his nice long sword, he can actually do some stabbing there.
True enough.
Alright, so.
Alright, well. Until next time, that's this time.
For Alpher, I'm Omegar.
Ayo!